Níor bógar an dún ar anga trí go dtí seo, ach dain aróta sin gláirí de chlí is obair Nasc go bhchaun. An aróta an Clár a chlí a bar Gessler. Gary McDonagha agus Mark Hart a hamon trátrochta.
Ceann mágadí Caleb Doherty. Iarot lochánta síos Doherty arís. Agus tá Líróta Wilson angach. Tá an brath glas sachar an áirde. Tá an cúl cadia go Caleb Doherty. Sfuil deisian seo ag an lán tusa Griffin. Aaron Griffin agus tá cúl fóta ag Aaron Griffin. Hayburn and Hittog. She'll score all in her fad fóta. Sineirach o Stephen Ryan. Well, and let the score. Fóta ag Stephen Ryan. Daniel Guinness. Oh, vi chance ag Guinness. A Harrod and Adol Shatey.
Yeah, why he should go hold him and Adol Kinsha. Tá mé deanna go an cú chuthair a ceall
yeah,
she chuthair a ceall.
Á pas glóteiste agus tá seans an seo Guinness agus cicéine cebrunta. Agus báhan se an Nero de seach a gúine na hamgaí. Agus seo hagan an dún arís le Guinness agus bhfuil de seile acaban seo le McGill agus tá cúil eile fáte ag Danny McGill agus well sin bhfuil amárach an tamuice. An dún arás rina dó. That
was the aim at the start of the year when we first met up, that we were going to get out of this division, and any team that's in this division is very tough, so we're glad we're getting out of it. I think we were put to the pin of our collars in a lot of games, but we stood strong and we have a great overall squad, so it sort of stuck to us there. Anytime you can get a chance to play in Croke Park, you relish it, so yeah, very excited for next Saturday.